In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the margins of your PDF document. So the first thing you need to do is just locate your PDF document, and we're going to right click on this, click on Open With, and select Adobe Acrobat. Now, if you don't already have this application installed, then I already have a video on how to download and install this, and it's a completely free application to use. So once you have your PDF file open, click on All Tools from the left-hand side, click on Organize Pages, and then click on Set Page Boxes. From here, change the units from millimeters into inches. And then where it says change page size, we're going to select custom. Now from here, you can adjust the page size and add margins to your document. So what I'm going to do is increase these margins by 1 inch on each of the sides. Now the current dimensions for my document is 8.5 by 11 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change the width here to 9.5 instead. And I'm going to keep the height at 11 like so. And you can see in the preview window, it's already adjusted our document. From this right hand side, select your page range. So I'm just going to apply this to all of my pages. But if you do want to apply it to one particular page, then you can do that as well. And then click on OK. And just like that, we've now applied a margin to our PDF document. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.